Babylon, the time is counting. Inna your mess, you be drowning. Ghetto youth life.
I mean, I say from here the voice, I don't know a King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, I represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
No letting go, no letting go, no letting go.
You see a song ya, did need a video. Me nah lie my viewers, subscribers. We did need a video for your song ya from the jump me and say yo. Hey family, you know what say, I have to go follow up with that video. And guess what no? The timing right. I swear the timing right, my viewers, subscribers. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now. Click the like and turn on your post notification. Me love how family come drop a video for your song ya. It just go so boop in a weird side of me and say oh yeah. Me can feel the song, me can feel the video. My viewers, subscribers. Me nah lie. How much in a grade and music video out of 10? Make me know. Keep it honest. Me go jump in the review now.
Sometimes I can help it but cry. Tears in my eyes.
The man start the video, my viewers, subscribers. Tears come at me here, come here say oh, me can feel your music video ready. And you know start fully yet and me and say yo, Jaja. You see all the producer, the director for your music video. Me have to go on the props. Me have to go on the props because I did a job well done. Tamily, you find a video for New Year now? Yeah man, a good start, my viewers, subscribers, I swear.
Babylon, the time is counting. Inna your mess, you be drowning. Ghetto youth life.
Babylon, your time is counting. Inna your mess, you be drowning. My viewers, subscribers, you see what me here man say them few line there. And me a watch the video and me see look like a man and want ball. Me a say bumbo cleat dog. You know what say man do this good. Me a feel say yo, Tamily. But guess what now? Why? It looks so real because the man a go through the same thing. The man can relate to it, so the man do a music video like this. It a come deep from the man out my viewers, subscribers. Me nah lie.
One day you a go tell God something. Cause me do good for me community.
Fight the man, who not fight the man, and yet still, a whole heap of good thing a man do for Mobile. A whole heap of good thing a man do for the youths them. A whole heap of youths respect the man, cause man a spend money on the youths them. But guess what now? You don't want the man do the good thing them. So no tell be life on the man. But guess what now? The man make know so no time a come. No time not there far. No time a come. Yeah man, see him way so no joke man.
You ever done still? Sometimes I can help it but cry.
Tamily, me know where you feel. Me know the pain them. So when you see something you feel like one thing you can do is ball, me understand your brother cause guess what? The system of yours are done. You see me? And no care amount of good you do. Then target the same way. Then say your boy be a people gun. Then say you do be a fucker. So guess what now? Me understand what you say when you say you feel like football. Cause the only thing you can do. So don't feel like you're alone, brother. Me know the pain them where you feel. You see it?
My eyes on my mind running wild. I don't wanna tune into my ego.
The man say no want tune into him ego. So watch you know. You see if the man go adapt back to the egocentric behavior there, them in a trouble. You see me? But guess what now? The man have to prove his system and the state wrong. So I have to keep it calm, I have to keep him composure. I'm love how you deliver in your music video already. Yo, me have to say yo, Giano Tamily. Giano. In music video, yo, my viewers, subscribers. How much you know grade a music video out of 10? Talk to me in the comments can below no man.
Stay by myself and I from trouble find me. Me and police in a meeting to get.
Giano, the part that lit me on my head side. Boop. Man, I say yo, we don't like people. So we stay away from people, we stay in our own zone. But guess what? Bomba dog, trouble still find way. What me say? Trouble still find way and police in a meeting. So when I say that so, when I say yo, sometimes they're far away from people. Then I'm circled by myself, I'm zone by myself. And yet still me I get calls say me needed by police. What me do? You see, bomba my viewers, subscribers. I see the part there in I sang. You see the part there in I sang on the video. He just lit me in the mid side so whooping off for true, you know. And no joke thing, you know, man. Me I tell you, you know, you.
Ghetto cries, the ghetto cries. The system of we as a criminal.
A whole heap of youth. The system tarnish them career, cause guess what? The system have them as a criminal. And a cure man cry out and I say, yo, no state, no system. Me nah do wanna say me I do. Me only looking for my family them and my friend them, my viewers, subscribers. I want them to get what me I say. I want to not get what me I say, you know. So the man say the ghetto cry. We see it. We live it. Take it from a man who come from the ghetto. Me I tell you no say yo, a whole heap of youth there. We have a talent, but guess what? Babylon say no, we not go ni boss. I done ya so nasty, we are killing half. You see it, my viewers, subscribers. Sure.
Give me visa fi fly. Them know how we live life. I still make a little money.
Say no, you see everything what Tamili say in your song, a real thing. Everything you man see in your song, a real thing. And just by watching the video, it paint a vivid image of everything where man say in that blood cleat song. You man say yo, them no want get to youth rise. As we start making money so and live uptown, them want to drop out. They want to go back where you come from. They start prove as this big wanted man. Because guess what? Get to youth no fi have thing. That's what them are saying at them head. But guess what no? It now go work. We are going to bust away from the ghetto. A matter of fact, we are going to bust away from the mentality on have we under. Because ghetto youth must have things. Or you mean Tamili youths.
I still make a little money and gone up and with them all time. Ghetto die.
Then you get to youth. But what you know, you're not gonna know. But wait now, wait until you make it in a life. Wait until you start make some money. Wait until you can buy your family them a house and buy your friend them 2 car. You go see them back on and say you now want it man. You not done. You for turn yourself in. Wait you know. That's why family son of open on your eye from knowing the car. Guess what? The system now wait way.
Come off of the road before it touch night. If it's them a look for razor pay. So them power them have a exercise.
As I get to youth, especially in a time like this, you have to come off a road before night. I'm not joke the man I tell. Worse out them man ya, I look razor pay, and them want to look like them a do work in the streets. Them a go use all of them power. Them go use them power in a wrong way and abuse the system. And that family are saying that you blow out on ya. And you see the video show you police brutality. The video show you a whole heap of thing where I get a youth. So I don't want to feel like say a joke thing. You see a video, my viewer subscribers. You know normal. I want tough piece of video.
Me feel it to the young bikers. Them fight the hustle and when we style off. Them banding as a gunman.
Nah lie. You see the man with direct and edit a video. I'm creative yo. Yo, the man creative. The piece, the purse with this creative. You know see the man them add a whole heap of clippings in a video. The man them all had a few clippings where a police officer mash up a taxi man. The man them had a piece of clippings where the youth them, the police them normally move even them from off side of the road and mash. Remember the video where the police shoot down your old man and let the man name the button. That night video for sure. So you see it. Babylon them abuse them system and we not hear nothing about it. You see when them do something wrong, we only hear about it when the people them oppressed and rebel. But we not hear about it if the people them not see it and talk about it. My viewer subscriber.
Sometimes I can help it but cry. Tears on my eyes.
Subscribers, more than wicked and biased if my name come do a video Pantamili music video. Ghetto cry. More than wicked. You see me, I remember me done telling you say if you are new year, we are go harder, I go home, you know. We are see the things them and we are come make you know how we feel about the things them. And you see a music video. Black Lives Matters. My people, you see a music video, it could have never dropped earlier than this. Me love how the man start up New Year. And even though the dad behind bars now, me know that will bust the case anytime soon. You see me? But as me say, get to youths, open the eye them. Open the eye them.
The ghetto guys.
Me nah lie. Your video you shot. Me nah lie. Big up a producer and director for your video. The man will edit it too. And do a good job. My officer, you see your video? It's tough. You see me? Me love how the man start up the new year. Me nah lie. Me expect a whole heap from you to keep up your good work. My viewers, subscribers. More want to grade of music video at 10 on the song, you know. Don't laugh with it in the car. You see a music video, it's bad. You know me now come tell no fuck, you know. So no say me come tell the truth. So you know, drop some comment in the comments below, man. Until next time. Just vibes, you know. I'm out.
Don't let it go.